Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send multiple photos along with a text message in an Instagram chat using your PC. With the latest Instagram update, sharing your favorite moments and adding your own comments is easier than ever. No phone required. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're using a browser, simply go to Instagram.com and log in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a speech bubble or a paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages, where all your conversations are listed. Next, scroll through your chats and find the conversation where you want to send your photos. Click on that chat to open it. At the bottom of the chat window, right where you'd normally type a message, you'll see a small photo icon. Click on this icon to start adding your images. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for photos. Select the first photo you want to send and click Open. You'll see the photo appear, ready to upload. Now, here's where the new update makes things even better. Right after you've chosen your first photo, you'll notice an option that says, Upload another photo, video. Click on this, and you can select more photos from your computer. Repeat this step for as many photos as you want to share in that chat. Once you've added all your photos, take a moment to write your comment or message in the text box. This is a great way to add context, share a story, or just say something fun alongside your images. When you're ready, simply click Send. All your selected photos and your message will be delivered together in the chat, making it easy to share entire albums or collections with friends, family, or colleagues, all from your PC. That's it. With this new update, Instagram on PC finally makes it simple to send multiple photos in a chat, saving you time and letting you share more memories in one go. Try it out and enjoy seamless photo sharing right from your computer.